Hi, welcome to the online portion of AGRI109 Lab. I hope things are going well. This is week 4, so we should be kind of getting settled in how this class is going to go, how much time things take for the most part. I mean, every week is a little bit different, but I hope you have your schedules figured out and that whole thing. Thank you for all the emails. That is definitely the easiest way for us to communicate in this class. So I appreciate those, and hopefully I'm getting answers back to you in a timely fashion. That's my goal every time. So, all right, let's head over to Blackboard real quick. All right, here we go. So we are in our lab, and of course it pops you up to announcements, coming on down to your lab learning modules. And week 4 is right here. All right, so this is a week that we are dealing with animal terminology, breeds, body condition scoring. I think the most difficult thing about this week, well, 2 things. Number 1, there's a lot of supplemental material. So this is just a hello and something funny for you guys, and then what you need to get done this week. But here's the supplemental material. So a lot of stuff on body condition score. This is how we rate animals. If you've done FFA or 4-H, things like that, this won't be that difficult. For those of you who haven't, which I know we have a variety in class, these are to try and kind of help you visualize what you're going to be doing in lab. So there is body condition score on cattle, beef specifically, and then swine. And do know that body condition scoring in beef cows versus dairy cows is different. So what I'm looking for and how I score them is a little bit different. There's also some great PDFs and PowerPoints for you to go through. You will need this material to complete the lab. So don't just skip over this and think you can do the lab on your own. I mean, it just means a whole lot more Google time, but that's what these resources are here for, is to help you with the lab. Okay, so then you can click on this and get your lab and go through it. There's more information in that. It'll walk you through everything. Of course, what I want you to submit to me is this one right here. So you'll click on that, fill in the blank spaces. There's a chart to fill out. There's pictures where you'll get to score those animals, all of that. Just put your answers in some other color than black so I can see your answers versus what text was already there. That's a whole lot easier for me. But anyhow, you submit it here. It needs to be turned in before Sunday at midnight. The same as everything has been at this point. So that is week 4. Let me know if you have any questions, concerns. Again, we're having a really great semester thus far, and I thank you guys for that. So until next time, toodaloo.